What's up guys, iAppleTuber here, and today I have a very cool video for you all. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get custom live wallpapers for free on your iOS devices. So it works without any computer. The app is completely free and I'll be showing you how to get absolutely amazing custom live wallpapers. To have live wallpapers, you need to have an iPhone 6s and later. So if you have an iPhone 6, 5 or 5s, those will not work unfortunately, but if you have an iPhone 6s and later, you already know that you have the live wallpaper compatibility with your device. So let's get started. It's pretty simple. The app is from App Store. So you want to go to your App Store or you want to go down to the description, click on the first link, it will take you right here to your App Store. It will take you right here to Live Wallpaper HD for iPhone. I've already installed the app, but this is the app. If you want to just search it up, the name is Live Wallpaper HD for iPhone. Once you get it installed, it's absolutely free. Then you want to click on open. Let me go ahead and open it now. Once you open it, the app is going to start previewing you live wallpapers. So let me just go ahead and hold my device just to show you guys the live wallpapers. So you can scroll to the right and keep on previewing the live wallpapers. And if you want to save any, you just click on save. I'll go ahead and further show you if you don't know how to use the live wallpapers. Let me go ahead and show you all a few more previews. As you can see, most of them look very nice. Let me show you all. So once you click on this category option, you can change to different wallpapers. Just to let you all know, up to illusion is free. Nature and others are paid. So you want to just search between abstract up to illusion for the free wallpapers. Let me go to the Arial, for example. As you can see, these are actually very nice wallpapers that you can go ahead and install. If you want to get it, it's simple. Click on save. It will go ahead and save it to your photos. Let me just go ahead and preview this once again. As you can see, the wallpapers look very nice. Now that we know what the app is, let me go ahead and show you all how to be able to use these wallpapers if you're not aware of how to do so. So once you save it, as you can see, I already saved this one. You want to go to your photos. Let me go ahead into my photos now. Once you go into your photos, you want to find the picture that you have saved, which is this one. Then you want to click on this button right here, click on it, and you want to click on use as wallpaper. As you can see right here, use as wallpaper. Make sure that it's set on live photo. None of these two other options. It has to be set on live photo. You want to click on set it as your lock screen only. As you know, it does not work on the home screen. Let me back out of it, and now let me go ahead and lock my device so it can show you guys the wallpaper. So here it is. Here's the live wallpaper. You're going to hold it like this, pressure it. The live wallpaper will start previewing on your device. Let me go ahead and show you all once again. As easy as this, you can get custom live wallpapers which are absolutely 10 times better than the ones that Apple gives. Since they're not repetitive, you can choose whatever you want and there's so many options. But yes everyone, that was it with today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this very short and simple tutorial on how to get live photos for your devices. See you guys on the next video. iAppleTuber here, signing off.